AV Access 4KIP200, HDMI IP matrix to build your video wall system. What's special about 4KIP200? Plug-and-play video wall setup. You can work with the network switch without configuration, distribute your content at palm, and stream stunning 4K images. In spaces like restaurants, sports bars, and retail stores where you need a video system, 4KIP200 makes things easy. How is it used? You don't have to be an IP expert to use this IP matrix. No configuration needed on the network switch. You can build a video wall easily. If you use TVs, you can rotate the first line to make it seamless. Integrate your TVs to the same network and group them according to the zone. On the VDirector app, you can switch sources easily, adjust TV's volume remotely, and turn on or off all TVs by one click. Any heads up? Encoder and decoder come separately, so do your own portfolio. You can set it up in 5 steps, even a green hand could handle. Easy control with the free app. VDirector tutorial have you covered. Pioneer of plug-and-play 4K AV over IP solution. Build a video system at your fingertips. Setup guide and VDirector tutorial are linked below. Welcome to leave your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.